Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to download video stocks on Canva. Make sure you already subscribe for premium on Canva, and then you can edit it on CapCut. So it's a little bit nerdy how to solution for you, but let's get it on. First, if you are or if you want to do it manually and a goofy way, you just find the videos and then download it one by one like this, click download and so on and so on. But that's really take time. It took times for me. I found another way, a little bit nerdy. You just right click on the Canva website version and then click this inspect, and then make sure you play the video, and then you click this arrow, and then you just move your arrow to the videos, and then you find this kind of code on the elements, and then you can dig into these chariots or arrow symbol like this. You dig in deeper and deeper until you can find the link like this. After that, you right click on the link, and then there is an option of open in new tab. See, I open only the videos on my new tab, and then I can save the video by save video as, and then click save, and then it's download the video, then I can edit it on CapCut. Okay, that's it. This nerdy tutorial, I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this content is really helpful for you, you can help us by clicking thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.